Okay, welcome to the Exact Intent dashboard. I'm going to give you a quick tour and show you how easy it is to get your retargeting campaign all set up. Now, what we're looking at here is our creatives tab, and when you come in, you'll notice that if you happen to have an automotive dealership or you're in real estate or you just have an online store, there's some creatives all ready to go for you, and there's also a generic option that'll work for any business. I've picked this yellow one right here, and you'll see up top where it shows for current creatives, and what they do is they show my logo and they show the item on my site right here in this section that the person was most interested in. Now, if you want this image right here to always be the same, you can set that. I'll show you where to set that as well as your logo in just a second. So the first thing you do is choose your creatives template, or if you want, you can upload custom creatives right here. You can have them created and they'll override the creatives that you see on the form here. You can have your own banners made and upload them. Now, just for simplicity's sake, let's assume today that you're going to get started and just pick one of the templates to get going fast. And then once you've done that, you're going to choose creative option. You're going to go now to your settings and make sure that that's all configured. Really easy to do. First thing you want to do is just go ahead and click and upload your logo. And I'll just show you that process really quickly right here. I'm picking my logo. I have it on my desktop here. And you'll see I can kind of reposition where it goes. And then I'm just going to pick right here the little green crop, and it'll upload that logo for me. Okay? Now, if I wanted to change my default background so that it's always the same thing, you can do that right here. It says here, use a JPG file only. Keep that in mind. But for now, again, keep it simple. Get your campaign launched, and then you can go back later and enhance your creatives if you want. General settings, just fill in your stuff here. Right? Ryan, exact intent. You can put your URL in there. Okay, you're going to set your monthly spend, right? Your monthly retargeting budget. Remember, the service is $49 a month, and you're going to pay for the impressions for every time somebody sees your banner ad retargeted to them out there on the web. You're going to see here your options, and we'll see here that we have $49, which is 4,900 impressions, and it scales up. You can change that at any time. Now, here's some of the fun part right here. If you want to use our lead widget, and you'll see an example of the lead widget on the homepage of exactintent.com, you can use the lead widget to generate more leads from your site and also do some really creative lead gen that will help you sift more leads off that you might not have gotten before. And let me explain that. Right here we see our lead action. If you want to get texted and emailed about your new leads, that's how you're notified. You can set your lead form to only to show on the first visit or all the time, or if you don't want to use it at all, you can have it set to never. You can set it to show at the bottom or the top. You can pick your color right here, and then you can ask for a phone, an email, or set it so the bar just redirects people out to another link, maybe a capture page you have out there or a piece of content on your site that you really want people to see. Now here's the fun part. You can have the link open any site you want after people submit their info. So in this example, what I'm going to do is I'm recording a demo of our dashboard here, right? I'm going to put this on a page, and I'm going to have people enter a phone number or an email to see this demo so they can see under the hood how Exact Intent works. And I'll put that right here. So it might be like exactintent.com/demo. Okay? And then this right here is the action text that you'll put. So request a call to explore how this can help your biz, or now I'm going to change it to enter your email to see a sneak peek of the dashboard, something like that. You can do anything you want, let your imagination run wild here, and if you need any help, we're actually pretty good at this stuff here at Exact Intent. You can just use the chat box down at the bottom right here, and we'd be happy to guide you there if you need some ideas of what to put in that lead form. We're happy to help you with that, get a little creative with you if you need help setting that up. Then you're just going to simply click Update Info. You'll also notice here there's some advanced settings if you want your leads pushed into your CRM. Just ask us about that if you need help with that. And you're pretty much done. That's it. This video has been about 4 minutes long. I picked a creative template. I've grabbed my, set up my settings, and then the last thing I need to do, very simply, is go to the code for my website, right here. I grab this little piece of code, and I paste it into my website. And from now on, anybody who visits my site on the pages that I have the code installed will be retargeted. They'll start seeing banner ads for my stuff, and I'll get higher conversions for my stuff. Now, again, you can if you need any help with any of this, you can feel free, just use the little box down at the right here. We will reply as soon as possible. We'll give you any support you need. If you need help getting the code installed, if you need help figuring out what kind of creatives to use, or you just want to brainstorm on what that lead magnet might be, that sort of lead box feature, how to use that. We're here to help you. This is really powerful stuff. You are going to get a really good return on your investment. And again, you're shortcutting here. In 5 to 10 minutes, you can have a campaign set up that might cost you a bunch of money to hire an agency to do, or you don't have to spend time pulling your hair out figuring out how to implement this. Just go pick a creatives, set your settings, drop the code on your website, you're good to go. Welcome to Exact Intent.